Hello everyone, today I'm going to use Microsoft Publisher and design a card. Microsoft Publisher is a desktop publishing program which you can use to design brochures, business cards, business forms, calendars, catalogs, email, flyers, and all this. Green cards, invitation card. But today I want to use a business card template to come up with a business card. So let me locate where business card template is so that I start from there. Let me look for it. It is here, business cards. It is somewhere here. Here. I pick this template, then I will use any. Let me pick this one, then I'm going to create. It's going to open like that. So this one is a template. It is a template. So I'm going to clear everything. Clear, going to make sure I clear everything like that. Make sure you clear everything. The content inside, make sure there's not any content inside. So I have a blank template here. Let me now start creating my business card. Now I'll go to insert, which is there. Insert it there. Click, then I'll pick shapes here. I'm going to pick, okay, insert shape. I'll pick this shape called rectangle. This one. So I'll pick, then I'll draw over my card like that. Yes, draw it over my card. So I'm going to use a different color. This background color is not good, so I have to change, and I'm going to use this color. Okay, this color is okay. And if you realize, if you checked on this outline is so huge, and I have now to reduce the weight of this outline. To do that, just go to shape outline. Shape outline is there. Now come to weight here. I can reduce it to 1.4 feet. Let me pick that. Now, if you looked at now this outline, is now, the weight of outline has now been reduced. I will go for another shape. I'm going to pick another different shape from here. I'm going for a right triangle. Right triangle, which is here. I'll pick that shape, then I'll draw from this point to this point like that. Now, I have also to change the background of this shape and reduce the weight of this outline. To do that, just go to fill shape, then I'll give it this color. It's called orange color, like that. Then I make sure that I do away with this outline. Just go to shape outline and say no outline. Pick no outline like that. Boom. The outline has disappeared. There's no outline here. Okay, I have to go for another shape, and this time I'm going for this shape called flow chart card. Flow chart card, it is here. I'm going to pick that shape and I will draw it over here. Make sure I've drawn it to the size, this point. You realize this shape also, the weight is so big, so I'm going to reduce that outline, go to weight, and say no outline. Let's say no outline. Then I will duplicate this shape. So right click, then copy, right click, the mouse button, then you have to paste. So you have to paste like that. You have to repeat the process to paste. I will at least use 4 or 5 of them. Here you have 5. Now I'm going to change the color of each shape. So for this one, I'm going to give it a different color. I'm going to give it a yellow color. This one, I'm going to give it a black color. And this one, I'm going to give it a red color. And now this, the last one, the last shape, I'm going to make sure that it has the same color of that of the background. So I'm going to do it, change the color, then I'm going to use that one. So let me now make sure I move this shape over the other one, make sure I close the end like that, it fits. Okay, we bring another one that fit the end or the margin very well so that it may not be seen. I have this last one. This one should be the last because it has a similar color of this background, so I'm going to use it. You see, it's going behind all of the other shapes. If you see this one, how are you going to do it? Don't worry, just go to bring forward. It's here. Okay, bring forward, click on that button, then say bring front. Click on that, boom. It has now been brought on front. Now make sure this size is here, this size is at that point. Close like that. Make sure it's well. Okay. You see? You can now see. Okay, I have to pick one line from this end has to meet the other side, the other shape. Now this color is yellow, and if I'm going to pick another shape, which is a line, should be able now to come to this end. I'll go to the shapes here, I'll pick a line like that, then I'll make sure that I draw very well this line like that to this point. Make sure that this point touches the other end like that. I'll make sure it is straight, then move like that. Okay. I'll have to reduce this outline, the weight of this outline. Go to weight, then reduce the weight to that extent. Now I don't have to leave it like that because this end is yellow and I see it looks so bad. To do that, I have to change the color of this line to look similar to this color. Now I can either go to this one, then I realize this shape is still so huge in terms of weight. I have to reduce it to that point. This one is okay. Okay, make sure it's okay, fitting that one very well. It's not disappearing very well on this end, so I have to use this color. Yes. So my card is now coming up. Now I have to write something here. Simply right click, add text. You can add a text, click on add text like that. Then you contain and say sorry, spare limited, spare motors. You can say motors limited. You can use that as an example. Let me highlight and maybe increase the size. It's 20. That's so big. I'll reduce the size to 18. Still so huge. Let me use this one. Okay. This one is okay. I'll use bold, then reduce the size. Okay, not bad. Move it at the center like that. Okay, now looks good. Now, if you had a logo, you would place here a logo If you have a logo, you have your logo at this point. Okay, now let me go to insert text, draw text box picture, which is here. Here, to pick it, pick like that. I'm going to draw it over here. Then I'd say human resource manager. I'll have to increase a little bit font face. Let me use Arial Black and reduce the font size. I will reduce it to 60. No, not making sense. Human resource manager. That is okay. You can change the color if you want. Let me see this color. It's okay. Now I will have also to use Drawbox to have the detail of this company at this point. Now I can start with the name, email of the company, web, that is a website of the company. You can include fax, you can use maybe telephone number, like that. So here is where you'll have to enter all these details here. Let me make them a bit let me use Times New Romance or Arial Black. I don't think even. Let me pick Arial like that. Okay. I can change the color, the font color, that color. Yeah, it is okay. So you can still be able to enter the name of the manager here, who is the human resource manager. You have the email of the company, you have the website, you can enter here. Fax number, you can still enter here, and the telephone number. So, and also make sure that if you have a logo, you'll have to place your logo here. This is how simple you can create a business card using Microsoft Publisher. If you find this video very important and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please take a second, 1 or 2, subscribe to the channel. For those who have subscribed and have supported this platform, I say thank you so much. Can you please continue supporting me?